Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's flood bulletin. The accumulated rainfall over the past 7 days, as recorded by the IMD network, is displayed on the screen. The latest rainfall data received through the CWC and IMD observation network indicate significant rainfall activity over the regions such as Maharashtra, Gujarat, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, coastal Karnataka and Kerala, Telangana. The highest rainfall of 560 mm has been recorded at Mangrol in Junagadh district of Gujarat. As per the current flood status, none of the river is flowing in extreme or severe flood situation. Now let's discuss today's CWC advisory. In Maharashtra, due to very heavy to extremely heavy rainfall over west coast, water level rise and above normal to severe flood situation are expected to rise in rivers such as Damanganga, Vaitarna, Vasisht, Savitri, Bhav, Ulhas, Amba, Kalgad and other small west flowing rivers in district Nasik, Palghat, Thane, Raigad, Ratnagiri and Sindhudurg from 4 July to 6 July. Water level rise is also expected in Panchganga, Varna, Bhima, Neera, Koyna, Varna and other tributaries of Upper Krishna in Pune, Satara, Kolhapur district from 4 July to 6 July. Water level rise is expected in rivers of Purna, Upper Tapi, river of Upper Godavari, Penganga, Pranita, Varda and Penganga in Akola, Buldhana, Parbani, Hingoli, Nanded, Amravati, Bandra, Chandrapur, Gadchiroli, Nagpur, Varda district from 4 July to 6 July. In Karnataka, IMD has predicted heavy to extremely heavy rains in districts such as Uttar Kannada, Udupi and Dakshin Kannada, Hassan, Chikmagaluru, Shimoga, Kodagu, Dharwad and Belgavi for next 2 to 3 days. Alert for water level rise and above normal to severe flood situation may be kept in river Supa, Kali, Agnashini, Swarna, Netravati, Gurpur, Sambhavi, Sitha, Kumardhara, Saravati and other small west flowing rivers in above mentioned district from 4 July to 6 July. Alert for water level rise may be kept in river Upper Tunga, Bhadra, Vedavati, Hemavati, Harangi, Markande, Benihala, Malprabha, Katprabha and other small tributaries of Krishna and Kaveri in above mentioned district from 4 July to 6 July. In Gujarat, due to increased rainfall activity in west coast region, increased flow and above normal to severe flood situation is expected in the Damanganga river from 4 July to 6 July. Alert for water level rise may also be kept in rivers Lower Tapi, Lower Narmada, Purna, Vishwamitri, Ambika, Auranga, Par, Mindola in Chota Udaipur, Vadodara, Bharuch, Surat, Tapi, Navsari, Dangs and Valsad district from 4 July to 6 July. In Saurashtra region, water level rise and above normal to severe flood situation is expected in rivers such as Bhadar, Vatru, Machundri, Hiran, Ubain, Shitrunji, Ojat, Kalubhar, in Rajkot, Bhavnagar, Amreli, Junagadh, Gir Somnath, Porbandar and Devbhoomi Dwarka district from 4 July to 6 July. Water level rise is also expected in rivers such as Mahi, Panam, Hadaf, Hanas, Vatrak, Mevo, in Dahod, Mahisagar district from 4 July to 6 July. In Odisha, alert for water level rise may be kept in river Indravati, Sabri, Machkund, Poteru, Tel, Nagavalli, Vamsdhara and other small rivers in Kalahandi, Nabrangpur, Koraput, Malkangiri, Rayagad, Gajpati district from 4 July to 6 July. In Mahanadi basin at almost all regions will receive very heavy rains and extremely heavy rains in few districts as per IMD. Keep alert for water level rise and above normal flood situation in Mahanadi, Brahmani, Ib, Jira, Ong, Tel, Bagh and other small tributaries of Mahanadi, especially in Kalahandi, Angul, Sambalpur, Subranpur, Bauda, Kandhamal, Nayagarh, Puri, Cuttack, Khordha district from 4 July to 6 July. In Madhya Pradesh, keep alert for water level rise and above normal flood situation in Tapi, Lower Narmada, Mahi, Anas, Uri, Tawa, Morna and other small tributaries of Narmada in Alirajpur, Jabua, Dhar, Indore, Barwani, Khargon, Khandwa and Burhanpur. With this, today's flood bulletin comes to an end. For the latest update on river water level and flood forecast, viewers are requested to visit the website displayed on the screen. Stay informed, stay safe, and we will meet again in the next bulletin. Thank you.